I'm so surprised. The water keeps on running. No one sees it fall. No one.
Listen, this one goes out to my beautiful woman, Agatha. In a million, you are beautiful. You're my number one, baby. My pretty girl, forever be. You're the woman that I love. Every day like I want you beside me. I'll do anything for you. I believe that I'm feeling you, girl. Nakupenda mami, umeumbwa ukaumbika. I will love you forever. Sura nyota, mama sita. I will love you forever.
Avocado inakaa tamu sana. Ishike tu vizuri ndio isianguke. So guys, it is around 5 p.m. in the evening. Like always, I always take Agatha for an evening walk every day. Lazima. So that by the time anatoka huku, she will have seen so many places. So where we are going right now, naenda kuonyesha Agatha Mtoni. Mtoni, it's like a modernized river. Yeah, kitu kama hiyo, where we fetch water also. Sisi in our language you call it Mtoni. Mtoni. Most of the people, they fetch water on the river penye maji upita, then they fetch water. But for us, as much as it is a river, there is a way hiyo maji inatolewa kwa mto.
Kama nyanyezi. Passes be. Wamesema trespassers will be
prosecuted. Guys, let me show you something. So this, and nilianza kucheka. Caution, trespassers will be prosecuted. I thought it was executed. Madam, someone is trying to do maize plantation.
Yeah, people here are doing mostly. Area.
Guys, we're just surrounded by trees.
We are trying to be thieves. You know, this is my professional.
Hey, by the way, Ben, nimerealize tumekuwa na ka sweet YouTube journey, however much tunangangana na our 1 point something subscribers.
Yeah, 1,000 we are heading to. We are heading to 2,000 and we are almost there.
We're almost.
By January, I think we'll be hitting 2,000 subscribers.
Yeah. So guys, the only big favor you can do for us is always
watching our videos.
Watch our videos. If you are a returning subscriber, ni sawa.
Keep like the videos.
Yeah.
Like and comment.
Comment.
Like. Yeah. The more you like, the more it will be recommended to other person. Yeah.
So guys, comment on our videos.
And you can see we are in the village.
Village life. Village ukosi mboga. Look at that farm. You have to imagine. All that farm ni mboga, greens, vegetables. You can imagine. Nilionyesha Agatha misheveve.
You know, guys, let me tell you something. Misheveve ni malenge. It's malenge.
Of course.
Me, I thought it's something different that I've never seen. But I watched out just to find out ni malenge. Boga ya malenge nye mnapikanga mukimo nayo.
Yes.
Hiyo ndo malenge.
Hiyo ndo misheveve.
Misheveve. No. A different name.
Unakumbuka tuliende linji. This time tunateremka chini.
I was saying, I realized most of the people have wells in their home, in their community like yours. You guys have a well.
What?
I was saying, some people have well.
You've realized?
Yeah, in their homes. So those people who don't have it in their place, they're the ones who fetch water in the river.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, guys, most people in our village, they dig wells in their compound. But so for those who don't have wells,
privileged.
if you're privileged to have a well in your home compound, you have an advantage.
You won't go to the river.
Exactly, but if you don't have, now you'll force yourself to go to the river to fetch water.
Look at that place, no? Africa is blessed, right? It has what is it called?
Hills and valleys.
It's a hill and there's a valley there in between, and then the place goes up. You see? Yeah. So it looks so rich.
There, it's just on its own.
You guys know this place has a lot of pigs. The pigs, they feed like.
You've realized we keep a lot of pigs.
And they even tie the pig in a tree. No, I've never seen that. They tie a pig in a tree, and this one is feeding on its own. And it can't get lost, you know. There are some boys there who are just looking at it, so that it doesn't get lost, you know. So they have a lot of pigs, and the meat is so big, you know.
You saw another pig that was very, very, very big.
A pig.
Size yako.
Yeah, almost a cow size.
Look at this, wandering with this green vegetation and a beautiful environment.
It's a land of honey and milk. People are so energetic here. They are so big. They are so energetic. They eat in the morning. They eat bananas. They eat misheveve. Yeah, in this place, when you
guys,
come this place,
if you can realize, we are sloping. We are going down.
Yeah,
you see that direction? We are going down. So that's why we are going to where we fetch water. Saseni.
Naenda wapi? Huko chini. Hizo ni nguo zenu? Ni zenu? Nyinyi ndio mlikuwa mnalisha nguruwe? Nguruwe si yenu? Oh, mnaenda nyumbani? Kama huko si nyumbani baby. Huko si nyumbani?
Si kwa.
Huko hakuna mtu anaweza ishi tu, anaweza beba, si ndio? I think imagine fetching water from this place. You need a lot of ugali to carry a jerrycan of water from this place up there. You can't.
Imagine it's so much hilly.
For petite ladies and petite boys, there's no way you can manage this place without eating ugali, eating a lot of food. Look, let's go and show you guys where they do fetch their water from. No. Today Robert is our tourist guide.
Hey.
Yeah, he was born from this place, so he knows the place very well.
Yes.
Me, I'm just an explainer.
Yes.
Yeah.
Guys, if you've realized, you see all these plants that mnaona zinamemea.
Show them around. All
these are guavas.
Do they have owner?
No.
So anyone can hit them?
Anyone can eat. These are guava plants, by the way, guys. In our language, you call them mapera.
Show them. Show them the land. So nice, no? It's a mulima. A hill.
Guys, our village is so hilly. You see pia akili ni mali. You see down there, this is where water settles most of the time. So someone just decided to plant yams and potatoes. River, right? Guys, you can see this is a small stream of river. This is a small stream of river, and you can see someone just decided to build a road for this water. You can see it is almost coming from there, guys. You see there, somewhere there, that road is coming like this. At the same time, there's another path here.
Oh, okay. The man was gone.
So roughly it's just a river, but let me show you how we fetch water. It is a modernized way of fetching water. You see, guys, this is what I was talking about. See, guys, this is what I was telling you about.
So you know once it is off.
So I can
Hey, daddies.
People fetch water here.
With their jerrycans.
So guys, you carry up there on top of it. So guys, imagine this is free water.
It keeps running.
It keeps running 24/7.
No one switches off.
Day and night, yeah, day and night, just like this.
Hey, Africa is blessed with water. These people who said Africa has no water. Look. No meter. No, it's free.
So guys, hapa hakuna story ya mita, ati unanini mita ya maji, unanini mita ya maji. No, you can imagine.
Unataka for free.
Yeah. This is free water for free.
Keeps running. Hakuna kulipia.
Used to come and fetch water here.
Wow. You are bare hands.
Yeah.
No punda. I'm so surprised. The water keeps on running. No one switches it off. No one is there. No one to control it or whatever. You fetch, you shower, it's up to you. And what is this?
Matumizi ya chlorine dispenser yanazalisha. Oh, ni chlorine.
There's a boy in front here.
Imagine free water.
Free water to 365 days of running water.
Yeah. Caption.
Every year.
Caption. 365 days of running water.
Free water. No paying. You don't pay. You come and fetch. You swim. You plant your vegetables. This is free water. You just direct to your shamba and you have you have your own crop. You know? Africa is blessed.
And I'll take it to another one penye mtu amejenga fish pond kando yake, ametumikia ujanja. And do you know why? Unajua, let me explain something. Even if you look closely, kuna maji hapa. Unaona hapo?
Yeah, I can see.
Yeah, maji inatoka hapo. Imagine.
Yeah.
So pia hapo mtu akichimba na ajenge kitu kama hiyo, inakuwa hivyo.
Wewe imagine uchote maji kutoka hapa, alafu unapanda hii mlima. Hakuna punda, ni wewe punda.
So guys, these are the famous misheveve. There was a word that was really trending on TikTok, misheveve. So these are misheveve. In our language, we call them riseveve. Others call them misheveve. So they're just pumpkin leaves actually. These are pumpkin leaves.
Unaweza toa hivi.
Nichukue, endelea.
Hii lazima itolewe hivyo tu.
Yana kidogo.
Ndio mkae pale.
Liseveve.
Ni liseveve, kwa wengine ni misheveve.
Pumpkin leaves. Malenge ndio nini yenyewe?
Ilenge.
Fruit yenyewe.
Fruit ni ilenge. Malenge ni mingi. Wingi. Umeshatoa?
Nitafute thumbnail.
Hivi unaenda haraka. Ndio. Inatoka kweli?
Mimi sijatoka. Hii
haijatoka. Natakana unafanya hivi.
Sasa nyingine. Sasa kama haijatolewa.
Hii ni complications tu hii. Sasa tunashika tu uzito wenyewe hapo kwa kijiti. Kwa kijiti unaweza tu Tuone kama Agatha amejua kutoa hii kitu ama bado. Bado hiyo. Nishaona uzi, sijaona uzi. Hiyo imejaribu. Lakini usitoe haraka, usivurute haraka, pole pole tu. Hivyo tu pole pole. Yes, chunga mgema akisifiwa usiharibu sasa. Lakini najua uko sawa. Uko sawa. Uko sawa.
Hii kitu ndio inaniuma.
Tunakaa poa.